Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Technic PH. I'm not an expert on AutoCAD, but I'll be sharing with you some tips or some of the commands I frequently use as a draftsman. That's helped me a lot with my day-to-day work. Okay, for this example, I like here in the GCC countries, the Gulf countries. If you're applying for a draftsman, they will give you some drawings and they will gonna test you on how fast and how effective you are on when they given some task like this one. This is a simple drawing, okay, with given dimensions. So they're gonna rate you on how fast you can draw this plan, and they're gonna gauge you as per your skills. Okay, most of the tutorials will teach you that you will be using line commands. But for me, as per my experience, line command is effective, but sometimes it will take too much time. So for this tutorial, we're gonna use XL command, offset, fillet, and trim, and the dimension command DLI. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some. We're gonna start now. Uh, we're just gonna draw this one for the meantime. Okay, the living room and the master's bedroom. Okay. Usually, I'm not using any of the tools here. I'm using directly by command prompt. So for XLINE is XL. Okay. By the way, I make my screen split type. How do you do this one? Just go to here the view. Okay. Viewports. Viewports two. Press this one and it pop up vertical. So I pop up vertical, then divided into two in vertical direction. Okay. Now I presume the wall is 20 centimeter thickness. So you have this clear dimensions already. So we're gonna draw the living room first. Command X line, XL, enter, or for me space bar, vertical, enter, space bar, XL again, horizontal, okay. Offset 4 meter, input 4 meter, enter, click, okay. Press dimension, DLI, 4 meter by 4 meter. Make the wall 20 centimeter, offset again, 20 centimeter, meaning point 2, this one. Okay. Fillet, enter, radius is 0, post R, 0. And click this one, same again, enter only because already that is the last known command. So when you press enter, the last command is fillet, so it will be coming out fillet. Okay, you have now the living room. Next one is this, it's around again 20 centimeter and 3.5. So offset 20 centimeter is point 2, offset again 3.5. Offset, we can type full offset command, or you can have a shortcut O. Okay, fillet. Now here, okay, when you press command trim, TR, okay, for the AutoCAD newer versions, when you press command trim, it will trim automatically the edges. Okay, the older versions, okay, you have to select edges. Now for this one, okay, we can. There are so many ways to trim. You know, you can just trim this one directly here, and command fillet. And have this, you have already the center wall as for this one, okay? Or, okay, sorry, again, okay. Just gonna show you the trim command. So, what we did earlier, that we just press trim, we cut this portion and we make fillet. The other, if you want to have your edges boundary or the cutting edges, when you press trim, okay, again. Now after we offset master's bedroom, 3.5. This already 3.5. Okay. Now we have to trim to to cut this line. Okay. For the newer version of AutoCAD, when you enter command trim tr enter or spacebar, see, automatically it will cut all these lines without the without what's called this, without asking for the boundaries. So we can just click here this immediately, enter and make fillet. Okay, and we have this one already. Or when you press trim tr, she is asking you to have cutting edges, crossing, or project or erase. So for us, we're gonna indicate the cutting edges. So we press T because it's highlighted here, the capital T. Okay. When you press T, enter, select your boundaries, enter again, and it is trim. Okay. Trim again to cut the middle area. So you have this area now. So we have, now we're going down, offset, offset, oh, 4 meter down. Okay. And here, this is 20 centimeter, offset again, 20 centimeter, point 2. Okay. Always I'm using enter spacebar. So spacebar to enter. Then fillet. Okay. Here you don't have the dimensions, but here you have the clear dimension. So you offset 3.5 from the this wall. So 3.5, offset 3.5, offset, enter 3.5, enter spacebar. Click this one, go to the left and click on anywhere. Okay, and enter again. Okay, then just fillet this one. Okay. Offset 20 centimeters is 20 centimeter. Offset point 2. Click anywhere here on the left side. Click, enter, fillet. Already the radius is 0, so no need to indicate the radius. So you can just click this one and click this one. So you have already this area is done. It's 4 meter, 4 meter. The distance here is 3.5, and here this will be zero point 0.5. You can do the rest just by using XLINE command. XLINE enter, choose either vertical or horizontal. Fillet, you will For corner, radius is 0. And for other commands in Spillay, we're gonna tackle that one for the next tutorial we have. And we have trim. We have emphasized the trim, the selections in the trim command on the newer version of AutoCAD, the cutting edges. This. Okay. So it's very important that at least for the basic commands, which is you're always using, you have to memorize that one. No need to go through all this menu command here. So just mainly have only always four commands only you'll be using always. XLINE, fillet, trim, offset, and dimension. And that's it. And for the next one, we'll again for the advanced courses, there's so many other tutorial here. And also I'll be able to impart also some of the techniques I have. And hopefully it will help. And always remember, I'm not an expert, but at least I can help. Or I hope that I did help you. Thanks, and we'll continue on our next tutorial for the complete layout, including layers, text, dimensions. Okay, thank you. Bye.